Okay, so this is my hair in the morning, all dry and stuff. I don't know, can you see that line of new growth? It's kind of unbearable, and it's not even that long, but it's very stubborn. I'm not sure really what to do with my hair. It has a long body, but the new growth is almost, it won't become, like, it won't, it's just like, stuck. It's stuck. It is really stuck. And it's just very stubborn nappiness. Just in case you're wondering, these are not real glasses. They're attitude glasses. They get it's like a fashion thing. I don't know. I think it's funny, but they're called attitude glasses. So they're basically fake glasses that look like real glasses, but they were only like $10 at Icing. They have a wide selection. So if you're looking to add a little bit of new fashion, something else, then I'd try for attitude glasses. Do you have that outfit where it's just kind of like, I wish I had glasses to top this off? Just because glasses have kind of somehow become a fashion accessory. So there you go. Hold on, I need something on my lip. So I am really unsure what to do with the hair today. I stick my fingers in it and all I can feel is nap. Like, it doesn't look like there's much nap or new growth, but this one is vicious for some odd reason. And like, the rest of it's pretty nice. I mean, the moisturizer worked to where it just feels silky and smooth, but I can't manage it. I can't do anything with it. What am I supposed to do with it? I can't even comb this. This is a mess. But yeah, I guess it has grown. If you look at my hair journey video, or maybe I'll just repost the picture again, because people don't go through and look at all your videos no matter how badly you want them to. Okay, when I got it cut, it was like there. And it's grown like it. Oh, did you see my happy face? I got really happy. It's grown, I think. And this is without the naps being straightened. Oh, but good thing today is just a stay inside and chillax, write a paper, FAFSA, and get other things in check. But I didn't realize that my tresses were this big of a messes. This didn't make any sense until I got home and can't do anything with it. So if I figure out something to do, I will show you. Okay, bye. Okay, so now I have done my desperation do, which still looks a mess. Like, I am young. My hair should look nice. Than this. I'm still gonna see where the new growth started. I don't know, maybe I haven't stretched my perm this long, or the new growth is just being unbearable and I feel like I need a perm. Evidently, this has been back hair day number 2, twice in a row. Probably actually technically number 4 because this is Thursday. Actually number 5 because the back hair day started on Sunday when I tried to flatter my hair and it went psycho. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully I'll be able to get a rescue perm. If not, it's gonna be tough. Okay, bye.